So magandang gabi sa inyo mga katrops. Dito lang kami muna sa harap ng 7-Eleven mga katrops. Nagantay ng ilang sandali para mamasada. Nag-ano kami dito mga katrops. Snack muna kami sa katropa ni Boss Jimmy.
So troops, good evening. So we're gonna go ahead and relax a bit and buy some ice cream here in Mercado 7-Eleven, right Dad?
Yes. Dito kami mga katrops. Antay kami ng ilang oras. Mag-snack muna kami. Ice cream, yummy. Ito, bibili na ang anak-anak ko.
So troops, we're currently inside 7-Eleven, so shout out to 7-Eleven public market here in Lapu-Lapu City, troops. So let's go ahead and take a look what types of ice cream they have here. What do you want for an ice cream, Dad?
Ito, pumili ako ng ice cream. Yung medyo yummy.
Here in 7-Eleven, troops, they offer different varieties of ice cream, different flavors, very delicious. So troops, we have already selected our ice cream. So my dad wants chocolate and mine is cookies and cream. So let's pay over the counter, troops.
Ngayon, pumila na kami mga katroops para magbayad sa binili naming ice cream.
Troops, me and my dad are currently enjoying our ice cream for this evening. As you can all see, let's try to taste it. Wow.
Wow, yummy.
Enjoy yourself, Dad. What can you say?
Sarap.
Delicious, troops.
Sobrang sarap. Basta
Very.
ice cream.
From 7-Eleven. So as you can all see, Boss Jimmy and his wife is currently trying to renew their registration of their multi-cab because my dad has connections of his friends. Look at my face.
So katroops, nandito kami ngayon sa harap ng 7-Eleven. Tapos nagantay pa kami sa mga kasama namin na i-discuss pa nila yung mga pagbilis nila sa kabro ko para matulungan sa pag-renew ng kanyang registration sa kanilang multi-cab. So, makita natin, usapan pa sila tungkol sa processing ng kanilang registro. So, dito lang ako mga troops. Nag-yosi muna ako ng lupoy. Okay mga troops. Until the next video.
So troops, what my dad is trying to say is that he's trying to help his friends, trying to renew their registration on their multi-cab unit. As you can see, this is the multi-cab of Boss Jimmy. Shout out to Boss Jimmy right there. And of course, he's currently waiting and trying to create his lomboy, troops. His hobby, the tobacco, you know. In America, we don't know what tobacco or lomboy is called, but here in the Philippines, we don't smoke cigarettes, troops. Usually, we do still have cigarettes, but we don't usually use them. We prefer to use tobacco, troops. So, on to the next video. Troops, this time we're gonna go ahead and get some passengers and ride at least one round.
So mga katroops, pasensya talaga. Ngayon lang kami naka-post ng long form kasi medyo naabala kami kanina dahil sa pagdala ko ng anak ko sa ospital para ipagamot ko yung arthritis niya. Hanggang dito na lang yung video namin mga katroops. God bless us all.